My dear friends, so in this video I'm going to take you to the highlights of this minus 33 score posted in the opening round. Let's get started. Hole number 1. So we have a nice wind of 8.5. No need to use wind 4 ball because we're gonna get this one to the required distance, the plus 7-yard mark as mentioned in our guide. Max plus 10 adjustment, slight bit of overpower will be required here with less than half a ball of curl, and there you go. So this one is a very decent approach that we going to play this one with Grizzly now, second shot. So no matter where we were, we're going to play this one with Grizzly with appropriate amount of backspin. One left spin is mandatory that I'm using in this shot. 3 back, 1 left, aiming at the pin, aimed just a little short. I'm going to adjust min distance plus 15%. Min plus 15% exactly is to be adjusted. Make sure you hit perfect. Great ball will not go to go in. Nice and slow. Boom! She goes. So dear friends, hole number 2, max right. Ice wind is a little high, 8.6, so I'm using 6 top here instead of 5.5 that we usually take around 7 ring. So plus 6-yard mark it is, red ring touching rough. I'm going to adjust max plus 10. I don't know why our opponent was laughing at that time. He has a good drive. Don't know what was the reason for his laugh, but anyways. So this much amount of curl, a little bit overpower is required. Rolling nicely onto the fairway. We want this one around 347, 348. Yep, that's it. So now I am going to try sniper double bump. I'm going to try my second bounce onto the rough. This shot I saw on the Facebook. We have been trying this shot, so I'll try to replicate that one. We saw a player, I forgot the name, got an albatross with this attempt. So you see max top adjusting onto the hole. This one is max plus 20% adjustment, and we'll push our ring half a ring back up towards the pin, half a ring back up towards the pin after adjusting. Wow, the wind was very high, so it doesn't hit where I intended. It hit backside of the rough where I wanted it to hit the top part of the rough. And still a decent wedge shot. Even if you miss the rough, we have found even if you miss the rough, ball sticks at the fairway most of the time. If you're not that lucky, it may roll down to the rough further ahead after the pin. But we have seen if I miss the rough, if I hit the sand, it bounces out for a wedge shot. If it doesn't clip the rough, bounces on the fairway, then also it stays on the fairway. That's what we have observed. Few more tries with this shot before we finalize this approach. Okay, hole number 3. This hole is a troublemaker for me personally, not for the clan, but for me personally it is somehow not getting converted. So the approach that I had is in the guide is 4 back, 4.5 right. I was missing right. I reduced half a bar of side spin to the right, and this one was at plus 4-yard mark, blue ring touching the rough on the right. I'm going to adjust max plus 20% here, max plus 20 here, and it still misses. Not coming close. Missing left a big way. Hole number 4, guys. I'm not going to fancy berserker shot. Mohit has perfected that one, but I'll stick to this short iron approach. 6 top, max possible left, plus 12 plus 13 yard mark, where you get a good ball guide. Max plus 10 adjust. Max plus 10. The curl was not intentional, so curl is not required. That was not intentional, it was an accidental curl, by the way. Great left was safe, no issues. 368, going to go min plus 5%. People using right spin, but I have a different method. I'll use left spin. 4 back. So just making sure I don't get any glitch, so don't catch the glitch. Min plus 5%. Perfect hit. Rolling down nicely and slowly. Woo! Hole number 5. Okay, so playing as per guide. I think it needs a little bit of tweaking. I have offsetted this one a bit more. It missed. Right, mid minus 10 is the adjustment that I took. So it missed on the right edge. I think this one needs a little bit tweaking. Hole number 6. Just going to take the slice for the drive. With the pot 6, I'm going to go max top. So changed this one a little bit. So I'm aiming the spot here. So we're trying to go as much far as possible to have an min range of sniper with our approach towards the pin. So here it went 390, 388. Okay, on second shot went a little too high for the comfort. So going to try this one from the absolute min range. Around 3-ish backspin with a little left spin. Going to aim this one right side of the hole. Going to adjust min plus 10 plus 1 ring. Min plus 10% plus 1 ring. Okay, there you go. Okay, go. No, yes, we call this jalebi shot. In India we call this jalebi shot. Sean, hole number 7. So we're working towards an updated approach, trying to find the funnel. Somehow I wasn't able to. 3.5 back, 2 right. Max plus 30% adjust. I don't know what went wrong here. Maybe the bounce is an issue. Went left cup and also short. Hole number 8. This is the easiest par 4 of this tournament. Going to take 4.5 around top spin with 2 right spin. Some 10% max adjustment and then push back up towards the pin at the max range, max overpower, slight bit of curl to the right just to ensure left grate is safe. Not going to fancy hole in one here. Safe eagle is a priority for me. So there you go, reaching green nicely just near the pin for an easy putt. So there you guys, hole number 9. We play this one max plus 10 with 6 top. I play this one 6 top, 4 right. Not going to give more than 6 top, and we'll go full overpower. The target is to reach around 430. That's what my reference point is. 430 is the ideal distance where I want to be every time. Max overpower. Going to reach a little further up. Not going to go 430. It's be further up, around 436 it was. Yep. Okay, shot number 2. So I have my own adjustment for this. Mohit has mentioned in the guide is minus 20. Personally for me that one is somehow not working, so I tried to play with a little tweak. I took minus 10, keeping yellow ring touching the rough, and I adjusted this one at 35% slider. So 430 is my reference point for minus 10 mid. So with 436 I took minus 10% under adjustment and 35% slider. And there you go, rolling down nice and smooth. Slow albatross. Hole number 10 guys. Now we have again the same approach. Wind is little less this time around, but we're going to keep the same approach. We'll avoid giving any overpower. Max plus 10 adjustment. Just less than half a ball of curl. This time I've not given any overpower. That's nice. At a good distance. This one is 346. So again you see, I'm going to play this one with Grizzly. 8.9 wind. Going to adjust around minimum distance. Tweaking the backspin is the key. Just play from the min range and tweak the backspin. Min plus 15% adjustment. That's around 8 rings from here. Not using any sliders here. I'm just playing from the minimum range, minimum plus 15, tweaking the backspin. Yes, from the left cup, but that's fine, not an issue. Hole number 11 guys. This one is a must watch. It's around 6 top spin from plus 6 yard mark. A little bit of right curl, little bit of overpower, great left, not done. Will not be able to reach distance that we wanted it to be. 340. Now that we were short on our drive, so we need to overpower this one now. So first the approach would be same. I'll be lining up this one to the hole, and my second bounce will be around tip of the top rough. As you see, ball guide passing through the hole, and going to adjust max plus 20% here. So it's was not able to fully adjust this one, so we need to overpower this one a bit, and that has worked beautifully. Bounce nicely on the middle of the rough around top patch and went straight in the hole. Boom! Hole number 12, I tried to take a different approach. I tried to experiment this one with this approach, where I did max right around 2 back, and I aimed this one at the pin. Aimed this ball guide around the pin from plus 3 yard mark. The mistake I think I did is I added one more backspin, which I should not have. I should have added half a bar of more backspin, and I adjusted this one max plus 30, which again is too much. Should have adjusted this one 25% or so, and there you go. It's a perfect hit nevertheless, but it is going to be missing right. Speed was okay, but it missed right, so that means our backspin was a little too much, and we should have adjusted, or we should have adjusted max plus 25. Hole number 13. Same setup, 6 top, max possible left, plus 12 plus 13 yard mark is the reference point. Max plus 10% adjust. Reached almost around same distance, 361 earlier, now 367. Shot 2 again, so we're going to play this one with a similar approach from a min distance range. Just tweak your backspin and side spin, and just make sure you don't catch the glitch. Just try to find out that you're not catching the glitch. Min plus 5% is the adjustment. Also from this distance, because I'm using less backspin now, I'm playing from the min range, so I'm using the same adjustment, min plus 5% extra. Perfect hit, nice and smooth. Hole number 14. So I just tried to tweak this one up, since in the first attempt we missed right cup. Now I tried to tweak this one. I aimed mid cup to see how that behaves. So I aimed mid cup here. Adjustment would be the same, mid minus 10%, and one ring pull back towards the tee. One ring pull back towards the tee. But you got to hit perfect if you want to have any sort of confirmation. But I messed it up with a great left, and it went left cup, and it went too far left, so not sure. Hole number 15. We'll slice this one again. That's the way to play this hole if you want any sort of opportunity to score an albatross. Got to slice this one. Slice, slice, slice. That's the mantra for this hole. 382, not seen. Okay, so we're going to attempt this one again from the min range. with less backspin this time because we were short on our drive. So again min plus 10% plus 1 ring, that will come around 9.8, or you can simply use max plus 10%, that will again be the same number. But you got to hit perfect. If you're hitting great, there's nothing that will give you a chance for an albatross. Had we hit perfect, it would have been very close or would have gone in. Perfect, it was very much required. It rolled down to the fringe, but nevertheless it will be an easy, it was an easy wedge shot. Hole number 16. I tried to use wind pro ball here, but try to find some funnel here. I think I could not find the funnel properly. That was the case here. So keeping 3.5 back to right. Max plus 30% adjust. That was perfect hit, but I think again there is some issue. It stopped before the hole. It was in the line, but it stopped. Hole number 17, friends. Very easy, par 4. As I told you, just try to hit perfect. That's all. Wind is 7.3, so I took 5 top, 2 left, to right. Max plus 10 needs to be adjusted. Just line up your shot. Push back up towards the pin. Max over power with a little bit of right curl. There you go. Will go nicely onto the green without having any sort of trouble for the bunker. There you go. Easy eagle. Easiest as you like. Hole number 18. Going to go the same approach. 6 top, 4 right. Max plus 10%, then push back up towards max range. Max over power. No need for any curl, but left grade will shift our ball towards left side, so that means we are gaining distance from the pin. We are not coming close to the pin, we came at some distance from the pin, 431. So as we went further left, so we gained distance. So I played this one with the same approach. Minus 10 mid, I choose to play this one because 430 is my reference for this one for mid distance, minus 10. But the mistake which I did, I tried to keep it around left cup, but that was not found to be correct because we gained distance from the T pin as we went further left. So I should have adjusted this one a little bit more, or should have left offset. This whole slider cannot be fixed because you're not going to the same line from the hole. If you hit right grade, you come close to the pin. If you hit left grade, you go far ahead from the pin. So that was my round for minus 33 score that I posted from the opening round. Still 3 more accounts to play, and I just checked, Mohit has scored a minus 35. Awesome score. Let's see how it is in the coming rounds. And it's a good practice for weekend. We can still try a few shots. We will not hold out any par 3s, so still a lot of experimenting to do. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Good luck for your rounds.